this project you will need an Arduino, a breadboard, 2.4K ohms resistor, 300 ohms resistor, LED, light sensor, and jumper wires. Take the breadboard and connect the positive side of the breadboard to the 5V pin on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Connect the negative side of the breadboard to the ground pin on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Attach a 2.4K ohms resistor to the breadboard. Connect one end of the resistor to the positive side of the breadboard using a jumper wire. Connect the other end of the resistor to the analog pin A0 on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Attach a light sensor. Connect the longer end of the light sensor with the end of the 2.4K ohms resistor, which is also connected to the Arduino pin A0 using a jumper wire. Connect the shorter end of the light sensor to the negative side of the breadboard using a jumper wire. Attach a LED on the breadboard. Connect the shorter end of the LED to the negative side of the breadboard using a jumper wire. Connect the longer end of the LED to one end of the 300 ohms resistor. Connect the other end of the 300 ohms resistor to pin 3 on the Arduino. Open the Arduino software and create a new file. Assign variables for the light sensor and LEDs according to the Arduino pins they are connected to. Set up the serial monitor to 9600 baud rate, sensor as input, and LED as output. The sensor is an input because it sends the light intensity and sends the signal to Arduino. Read the sensor value from the analog pin A0. Check if the value received from the sensor is less than 650. If it is less than 650, turn the LED on, and if it is more than 650, turn off the LED. Connect Arduino to your computer using the USB-A to B cable. Go to Tools, select Ports, and select Arduino. Compile your code by selecting the check button, and if you have any errors, fix them. If your program has no errors, the console window will say that your program has no errors. Upload the code by pressing the Upload button. Open the serial monitor under Tools. Make sure the baud rate is set to 9600 on the bottom. Check the values of the light sensor on the serial monitor. Play with the light sensor to see if the LED switch on when less light is detected by the sensor.